How to fix Venmo suspended account in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to fix Venmo suspended account. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy. Just some simple steps that I need to tell you to follow, and you're gonna be able to fix Venmo suspended account. Okay, so your account is suspended on Venmo and you want a way that's gonna help you to get back your Venmo account. And today I am gonna share with you something that could help you to unsuspend your Venmo account. Okay, so as you can see here, we have this contact where you can contact Venmo on WhatsApp, and there you can explain to them what happened and why you think your account is suspended. You can tell them if there is a mistake, and then they're gonna check what's happened and they're gonna update you, and they're gonna tell you if your account is suspended for a mistake that you did, or there is just a misunderstanding. Okay, so you just need to discuss with them and talk to them about what really happened, so you can understand if you did something without knowing about it, and you can tell them if they made a mistake suspending your account. Okay, so just go and contact them by this number on WhatsApp, and they're gonna help you to fix that problem and fix Venmo suspended account. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.